guys, and welcome again to my channel. And in today's video I will show you how to filter videos on YouTube. This is a follow-up video actually. If you can remember, last time I made a similar video and it was about how to disable restricted mode on PC. But before we move any further, please give me a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to my channel and support me so I can make more videos just like this one. So let's get right into the content for today. So as I told you, I'm going to show you how to filter videos on YouTube, and most of us knows this as the restricted mode option, and today I will show you how to enable or to disable it on Android. So in order for us to do just that, make sure that you are connected to your internet for us to be able to access all these features, because if you are offline, these features will not be available. So first thing first, tap on your YouTube app and then tap on your profile picture at the top right
in this video
of the screen, and now scroll down to settings and tap on settings, and now tap on general, which is the first one on the list, and scroll down, and here we are, the restricted mode. So the restricted mode, as you know, is a special feature on YouTube that allows us to filter content that are inappropriate or mature content. So in order for you to activate the restricted mode or to filter videos, just tap on the toggle button and swipe it to the right, and as you see, it has turned into blue, meaning that the restricted mode is now on. And in order for us to disable it or to turn it off, to stop the filter, just tap on it again and it will be automatically turned off. Okay guys, so I hope this video has been very helpful to you. Once again, don't forget to smash that like button, to write a comment in the comment area, and to subscribe to my videos so you can keep on supporting me, supporting the channel, and so I can keep on making videos just like this one. So once again guys, thank you and see you in the next video.